Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. The next big event of crypto world is nearing, as Binance Blockchain Week in Paris is going to be in full swing for September 14th. Today, the biggest crypto exchange released early bird tickets to this event. The three-day conference is limited to 4,000 tickets. This can be paid for with either crypto or euros. Furthermore, Binance launched a $28,000 giveaway competitions for crypto enthusiasts who complete any of the 5 challenges. Complete challenge for free crypto or a ticket to Paris. The simplest way to get a seat at the highly anticipated crypto conference is to tell CZ a good reason for going to Paris. Ultimately, the unparalleled speaker lineup is a good enough reason by itself, but the participants will have to get more creative than that. There's a dedicated page on Binance for the free trip to Paris with a short questionnaire. However, it's very important to join one of the communities beforehand, for instance, Telegrams or Discord maybe. Secondly, any creative crypto enthusiast can draw or design a picture of how they imagine Web3. The picture has to be related to movies, gaming, or events, and a BNB logo must be used. Once your unique metaverse piece of art is done, add the tag Binance Blockchain Week and post it on Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter. Afterward, there will be 5 winners who get a $500 Binance coin or BNB. On top of that, stylish crypto lovers now can design a black and yellow Binance outfit and flex the drip on Instagram and TikTok. There will be 2 winners chosen and they will get 400 Binance coin or BNB each. And so, when you are ready to voyage to Paris in your fresh Binance suite, there's a travel discount for a wide selection of hotels in Paris up for grabs with the code Binance Paris. Furthermore, there's a Web3 inspired Instagram filter dropping on the 2nd of September. Users who try out the new filter are able to share another 500 in Binance coin or BNB. Last but not least, and crypto enthusiasts who can't make it to the event live shouldn't bite their necks. There will be a unique chance to win $1,000 in Binance coin or BNB while streaming the conference from anywhere around the globe. In the case, just simply capture the screenshot and describe why the moment caught your attention. Early bird tickets are left now at this moment. There are still tickets to the Binance blockchain for $525, which is 20% less than the regular price. The promotional sale will only last until the end of the day, while tickets to the conference will be priced at $700 starting August 20th. Ultimately, sitting at the table with the crypto greats and sharing ideas about metaverse in the gorgeous surroundings of Paris is easier than ever. So, on top of that, stylish crypto lovers now can design a black and yellow Binance outfit and flex the drip on Instagram and TikTok. There will be 2 winners chosen and they will get 400 Binance coin or BNB each. And so, when you are ready to voyage to Paris in your fresh Binance suite, there's travel discount for a wide selection of hotels in Paris up for grabs with the code Binance Paris. Furthermore, there's a Web3 inspired Instagram filter dropping on the 2nd of September. Users who try out the new filter are able to share another 500 in Binance Coin or BNB. Last but not least, and crypto enthusiasts who can't make it to the event live shouldn't bite their knives. Okay guys, maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.